Skill and spill. Skill refers to the ability to do something well, usually gained through training or experience. It involves proficiency in a particular task or activity. Examples: she has excellent culinary skills and can whip up a gourmet meal in no time. His negotiation skills helped him secure a lucrative deal for the company. Spill means to accidentally cause something to flow out of its container, typically resulting in a mess or waste. Examples: be careful not to spill the milk when pouring it into the glass. He accidentally spilled coffee on his shirt while rushing to work. Differences: skill pertains to proficiency or expertise in performing a task, while spill relates to accidentally causing a substance to flow out. Skill is a positive attribute showcasing ability and competence, whereas spill is usually associated with accidents or mistakes. Skill is developed over time through practice and learning, while spill is often a sudden or unintentional action. Both words are verbs, but skill is also used as a noun to describe one's abilities, while spill is primarily a verb denoting the action of accidentally causing something to flow out. Skill is often praised and sought after, while spill is typically seen as a mishap that needs to be cleaned up. In summary, while skill represents expertise and proficiency acquired through practice, spill denotes accidental leakage or overflow. Both words are distinct in their meanings and connotations, showcasing different aspects of actions and outcomes.